Zwönitzer Rauchbier comes in at a 4.8% ABV, a 30 IBU. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.0. You will love or hate it. A smoked beer is a real specialty. Invite friends to a barbecue and have them all taste it. You will have much to discuss. A beer that will be remembered for a long time. That is a beer. It actually looks just like the last two we have. Very deep bronze. Basically almost looks like a brown ale. There is an aroma to this. It's kind of a little bit of a peatiness to it. Definitely darker malt. A lot darker malt than the others. Kind of a wood flavor. A little smoked. A light smoked, but very light smoke. There it is. There's some smokiness. It's very lightly smoked. Yeah, this is definitely a smoked beer. Oh my gosh, it's kicking in. Makes you just gotta keep drinking it. What? Yeah, it tastes like a barbecue. You know, it tastes like, now this is gonna be very specific. It tastes like if you got a drumstick that you smothered in barbecue sauce and then you grilled it over charcoal, not gas, but charcoal, and then you burnt it, and then you took a bite of that burnt barbecued chicken skin. If they made that into a beer flavor, this is kind of it. You get this burntness, you get a smokiness, and you get a sweetness from the barbecue sauce. That's essentially what this beer is. It's barbecue chicken in a glass, without the chicken, but everything else. At first I thought this was gonna make me want to go and have a barbecue. Now I'm kind of like, I really don't want to. And it's a pretty light beer. It's not even 5%, it's 4.8%. So this is like a session beer with a lot of bold flavors, mind you. The body is not sessionable body. It's still, just like all the other, a nice medium style body. Don't know if I'm enjoying the smokiness aspect. I do think it's interesting and I appreciate the difference. And I will say, a smoked beer, I will take this as a winter beverage over some of the lighter lagers that have been in this selection. I don't know, as far as smoked beers goes, this one isn't bad. It's actually a pretty smooth smoke. I don't know, it's kind of growing on me. It makes me think I just like smoked a pipe or a cigar. That taste in my mouth. Smoke them if you got them. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media sites. The links for those will be down there. I have a lot more content in those, so make sure to check them out. If you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below. They'll be a little past those links. Let me know what you thought about this video or what you didn't like. Maybe do something different in another one. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.